In this video, I'm making some sweets for my sweetheart. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I am Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell and click always, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled Sweets for Your Sweetie, and it's hosted by 3 wonderful YouTubers. Now, I'm going to look at my notes to make sure I get their names right. Now we have Vanessa at Viology. We have Veronica at Saving with Miss V. We have Kim at Tennessee Kim. If you're not familiar with any of these ladies' channels, I will have the links to their channel along with the playlist link in the description box when it becomes available. Now let's get into talking about this challenge. Now what they ask you to do is to bake something for your sweetie. Simple. They ask that you be a subscriber to their channels, that you mention their channels in your video, and that you link the playlist in your description box as well. And they also have a hashtag. Now I'll run the hashtag across the screen so you can get the hashtag. Sweets for Your Sweetie 2020. And they also ask you to have fun. So if you're interested in finding out what I came up with for my sweetheart, then you know what to do. Stick around. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my cake from scratch. Flour, buttermilk, salt, baking powder, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, cornstarch, sugar, and 2 lemons. Now for the icing, I'll be using powdered sugar, cream cheese, and butter. Now my butter and cream cheese have been sitting out all day because I want them at room temperature so they'll be soft to blend. So now I'm going to add all my dry ingredients and then we'll start from there. Now this is how my sweets for my sweetie turned out. I think the little individual cakes are better for us because it's just two of us here. I didn't want to make a full cake. So I did put a little sprinkles on top and some of the homemade icing, and it looks good, so I cannot wait to taste it. If you haven't gone already to check out CreativelyMsMe.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And never stop exploring. Continue to the last screen. There's always something new on that last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.